Daphnia reproduce both sexually and asexually. Asexual reproduction happens under favorable conditions. Adult females produce clones of themselves without mating and produce eggs every 3 to 4 days. The eggs hatch inside her and the hatchlings leave her body after a few days. Sexual reproduction happens in less favorable conditions. Some eggs now hatch into males and these males mate with females. The fertilized eggs won't hatch and will be released with the next molt. These eggs can resist freezing and drying and they rest in the water body sediment. They last up to 20 years in this stage of halted development, or until conditions become favorable again for hatching, like after winter.